Making the fabulous fajitas, before we cut up our chicken, we need to add our limes. Let's talk about lime really quick. Remember to hold your produce correctly. Tuck in those fingers. All right. So optional way to cut your lime is in a fourth like that. I personally prefer to cut my limes in half, but bring your lime on over. Depending upon how juicy your lime is, will depend on how many limes you use. Obviously, this one looks like it's a really good one. So squeeze that lime into your chicken. Again, I said before, you don't necessarily need a marinade. With all of the delicious things that you're putting in with your chicken, you don't always need it. But I love some of the marinades that are out there. I forgot what the name is called, but there's one out there I told you guys with papaya, and it's like a Caribbean something. Papaya and lime. So good. Check it out. It's so, so good for these fajitas. That's awesome. All right, get that lime in there. And I believe in the next segment we will be cutting our chicken. Don't be afraid to get your fingers in there. If you have already cuts on your fingers, be careful because the lime will get into your cut and it will sting quite a bit. But don't be afraid to get your fingers in there and get some of the pulp out of the lime as you're cooking your fajitas. All right, we'll come back with some cutting of our chicken.